Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am so excited to share with you the best $15 Amazon Dream Board / Vision Board magazine. So this is the magazine and it is called In Your Dreams. It is an aesthetic vision board magazine of over 300 photos, affirmation cards, and manifestation checks. I am obsessed with this because I've been working on it for the past 2 years because I really wanted to create a vision board, dream board magazine that has really beautiful pictures and imagery, and that was not just a magazine but also had other amazing things, and I will be sharing with you all of that in a little bit. It is only $15 and it's absolutely worth it. I will have it linked down below so you can go ahead and check it out. But in this video I'll be doing a flip through and review as well as creating my beautiful dream board that you see in the back of me right there. I would have these dream board goal setting workshops every year. I think it was for the last 3 years I had it, and I realized something that was really missing in my workshops were really pretty magazines, and half the times my workshop students would have to comb through tons of magazines that weren't really beautiful, and you really had to struggle to find what you wanted, and that really inspired me to create my own. So this book is absolutely stunning. It has over 300 beautiful images from different themes and aspects of your life, so you can definitely use this as a starting point. One major difference with my magazine compared to a lot that I've seen is that it has very minimal people in it, so it is extremely inclusive, which is what I really wanted, and it creates this beautiful backdrop for all of your dream boards. You can add quotes to these, you can overlay these, cut these out, do so many different things with it. What makes this dream board magazine so different from all of the rest is that it also contains affirmation cards and journal cards that are great for reflections, as well as if you wanted to reaffirm or say things like a mantra or something like that. You can actually cut these out and make a deck of cards if you wanted, or you can use them as quotes on your dream board like what I did. Another difference with this is that it has manifestation checks. It has 11 checks at the back, just like these, so that you can go ahead and fill it out and really have that money manifestation moment. Basically, you can put in an amount of money that you would want to manifest, and obviously as you keep looking at it, it kind of draws that energy towards you. If you need some inspiration when it comes to journaling, there are some activity cards that you could browse through and actually reflect on them before you start your dream board process. And I highly recommend journaling before. You want to be able to ask yourself certain questions about the last year and what you thought about it. And in this video, I will also be sharing with you some prompts that you can go ahead and check out. Digital dream boards are so much fun, but there's just something about actually putting together things with your hands and being really intentional. I love taking an hour and just having my candles and my crystals and setting things up so that I can really zone into the crafting of my dream board and being really intentional with what I put on it. So this magazine is single-sided, which means that when you cut out a picture, you wouldn't have to worry about ruining something behind of it. And it also has seamless edges around each of the pictures so that you would not have that white border around it. So whenever you cut out a picture, it will look absolutely perfect. Like I mentioned before, you have the cards at the back so you can cut out and make your own deck or even a mini affirmation cards booklet. So before you make your dream board for 2024, it is really important, I think, to actually reflect on the year that passed. And I have some prompts that I will put on the screen so you can go ahead and check those out. So first up is list your major accomplishments for this year. Next up, what are some of your favorite memories from this year? Compare your January 2023 self to your December 2023 self, and how did you change? Who or what are you leaving in 2023? So this could be like what habits, people, relationships, anything like that. And what would your life look like in 2024 for the new year? And if you did not already, what is your word for the new year? It is so important to reflect on the previous year so that you know what you want for yourself in the upcoming year. I love dream boards so much, and it's something that I do every single year because I find it to be so beneficial. Not only do I love how beautiful it looks, as you can see, I really like it. It reminds your subconscious about what you truly want, and I always tell you guys that I love this quote, what you seek is seeking you. And by having these things on your vision board, it will help you to attract all of those energies and good things in your life. My first tip is to set the mood. So you want to have like candles, you want to wear something cozy like a nice robe, you can probably make a nice drink or something to snack on and have some chill music on. It's really important to take this time for yourself where you're not going to have like tons of distractions and you can just focus on yourself. Next up is to gather your supplies, so you can get items like a scissors, paper cutter, stick glue or tape glue. Next up, you want to have like a base for your dream board. So for instance, if you want to do it on paper, I did it on construction paper and then I framed it, as you guys can see. You can also do it in your planner, and I'm actually going to do one in my planner so I can always see it every time I do open up my planner. And next up, before you start sticking crazy all over the place, you want to be sure to reflect on your goals, and obviously by journaling before that would have helped you kind of put into perspective what you really wanted and what your goals for the new year are. You can't just start sticking randomly if you don't really know what you want. So I had like certain things that I wrote down before that I did include on my dream board, so I could just make sure that I pull aside those things. So because this magazine does not really have a lot of people in it, literally barely anyone, you can go ahead and like find pictures of people if you wanted to include that in your dream board. You can just add to that, but the actual magazine provides a beautiful base, as you can see, for creating your dream board. This is also a great idea if you are having like dream board parties or vision board parties with your friends, and instead of like struggling through really crazy magazines, you can just use these and get all of the beautiful pictures that you want and use them as a base to build on it your actual dream board. You guys will see me switching from using a scissors to using a box cutter. I feel like if a box cutter was so much easier, especially in getting the pictures that were in the middle of the book. Once you don't press too hard, you would not cut the behind the page. It just made the process a lot easier, and then I went in with a scissors to really just shape up everything at the end. Okay, so while I'm making my dream board, I just wanted to share with you some reasons why you should make a dream board or vision board, whichever one you want to call it. And I love doing this because it is such a powerful tool in helping you to achieve your goals and manifest your dreams. So I'm going to share with you 5 reasons why you should create a dream board for the new year. First reason is because dream boards help you to visualize your goals. So creating a dream board allows you to see your goals and dreams in a tangible way. And by seeing your goals and desires in a visual format, you can focus on them more clearly and bring them to life. Next up, it helps you to stay motivated. A dream board can serve as a source of inspiration and motivation on days when you feel discouraged or unmotivated. By looking at your board and reminding yourself of your goals, you can stay focused and inspired. Next up, a dream board can help you clarify your priorities. When you're creating a dream board, you have to be able to journal and reflect so that you can see which goals and aspirations that you would like to include on your visual representation of your dreams and goals. This exercise can help you to gain a better understanding of what truly matters to you. By creating a dream board and seeing your goals and desires, you can find a greater sense of purpose and intention. You can also boost your confidence and sense of self-worth and encourage you to take action towards your goals. And last up, a dream board can help you to manifest your dreams. It is such a powerful manifestation tool because you're focusing all of your energy and attention on your goals and desires. And as you start to do that, you'll begin to attract the people and opportunities that you need to make them a reality. I'm just going to play some chill music so that you guys can go ahead and make your dream board along with me. I'm so excited to share with you how this turned out. All of the pictures that you see me using will be from the In Your Dreams Dream Board magazine, which will be linked down below.
Myself inside, I'm gonna close all of my blinds. I'll read or write, I'm working, hope you'll finally leave my mind. But you're still dancing in the air, still feel your hands run through my hair. I try and occupy my mind, but I can't hide. It's too soon and it's too fast. I try to fight it, hoping that it wouldn't last. Built a world and built it fast. I can't deny it, expectations you surpassed. Need some time to think it through without you, but you're sublime and I just can't escape. Gonna get myself inside, I'm gonna close all of my blinds. I'll read or write and work and hope you'll finally leave my mind. But you're still dancing in the air, still feel your hands run through my hair. I try and occupy my mind, but I can't hide. 'Cause you're everywhere, everywhere, you're everywhere. No.
After I did my dream board, I made sure to take a really good picture with my phone so that I could set it as my wallpaper background. And you guys, it came out so good. It literally looks like a beautiful aesthetic Pinterest worthy dream board. I'm so obsessed with how it turned out, and now I have it on my phone. So every single time I'm using my phone or even my iPad, I am always seeing my dream board and really just manifesting the life that I want. I also decided to have my dream board near my bedside table so that I will always see it. Like, it will be the first thing that I see when I wake up on mornings. And because it looks so cute, it literally blends into my apartment. I have my dream board here, so I will share with you some little things on it. So first up, I have this quote: what you think you become, what you feel you attract, what you imagine you create. I have this really pretty quote that says travel the world, and it's in these Scrabble letters, and I thought that was really fun. I really want to travel this year because I have not traveled in such a long time, because I was focusing on my apartment and my cats and just settling down and really adulting. I got the word love because I do want to welcome love into my life this year, and you know, maybe the right person comes. I have a really good idea of what I want in a life partner. I have that on my dream board because you never know. I was not ready in 2023, so we'll see what 2024 brings. I have some green juice and salads because you guys know this is something that I have been going on and on about, because I need to include more of that in my diet. I have a stack of books because I want to start back reading. I have some presents and cake because I do want to celebrate my accomplishments and achievements this year, and I also want to do something really special for my birthday. The other quote I have is: I trust the universe, it gives me exactly what I need at exactly the right time. There's a little girl boss plaque. I am ready to live the life of my dreams, and it has the manifestation check. I did not share the value. I will be filling it in because I think that should be really personal to you. So I love how my dream board looks. I love the frame. I'm definitely keeping it on my desk or in my living room, which is somewhere where I can always see it and really be inspired. Every single one of the images was from the In Your Dreams Dream Board magazine, so you can go ahead and check that out on Amazon. I will have it linked down below. Be sure to tag me in it, share it with me. I would love to see what it is. Thumbs this video up if you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more videos like these, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.